My name is Pustidas and I am going to tell you about Once in a Blue Moon. There was a girl named Ria and her mother Tanaya. She was very strict about her diet and fitness. Ria used to love eating junk food, but her mother was very careful about her diet. So she allows her to eat junk food once in a blue moon. Thank you.
Good evening, Miss. My name is Naivedya Gogoi, and the story name is The Thirsty Crow. Number 1. There was a crow which was very thirsty. Number 2. He searched for water everywhere. Number 3. At last, he saw a water pot near a well. Number 4. He looked inside the pot, but there was very little water in the pot. Number 5. The crow saw some stones nearby. Number 6. At once he thought of a plan. Number 7. He picked up some stones and put them one by one into the pot. Number 8. The water level in the pot came up. Number 9. The crow drank the water and flew away happily.
Hello, my name is Rehnuma Hawk and this is the homework of idioms. So today I am going to use the idioms miss the boat. It means it's too late. We can use it like during our students' life we have to learn and to do lots of things. But if we spend our valuable times in the other ways, then we will miss the boat to do something special. So, thank you so much. Bye.
Respected ma'am and my dear friends, today I, Sarve Shah, am going to share a short incident by using a phrase, kill two birds with one stone. That means to achieve two things by doing a single action. Friends, yesterday my mom told me to do exercise, but I did not like to do so. Instead, I want to go to my friend's house. Mom did not allow me to go to my friend's house without doing exercise. In the meantime, my elder brother suggested me to go to your friend's house by cycling. In this way, both work will be done. Kill two birds with one stone. Thank you.
Namaste, myself Noinika Bora. So today I am going to tell a story using idioms. Idioms Kith and Kin. Anchita and Harshita lived in Guwahati. They are 11 and 9 years old respectively. They are kith and kin of our family. I went to their home last year. I love them very much. Thank you.
And some pretty Bess Borua item, a piece of cake. Once there are three friends, Raz, Ravi and Nikita. They went to school regularly. One day their class teacher told them that after 1 month you have your final exam. So Nikita studied very hard for the exam, but Raz and Ravi did not study seriously for the exam. After 1 month, when their exam came, Nikita is very comfortable. On the other hand, Raz and Ravi were very uncomfortable with their exam paper. When the exam finished, Raz and Ravi asked Nikita, "Hey, how is your exam?" Nikita told, "It's a piece of cake. Thank you."
My name is Punyaha Punam Sodhuri. I tell story on pulling one's leg. There was a boy in a village called Kuzida. He was reading in class 8. He is very sharp student in the annual examination. He always secured more marks than others, so one of his enemy classmates who did not like him and blamed the boy when he secured the more number by copying. This way make the mind of good student mentally dispels this the notorious boy pulling one's leg.
Hello everyone, my name is Akash. I am going to tell you a story. Once upon a time, there lived an old man with his 4 sons. The old man is becoming old. He is very much worried over the future of his 4 sons. One thing irritated him very much is that his sons do not learn to live together peacefully and happily. He tried to make them understand the importance of unity, but he failed utterly. One day, he decided to try for the last time. He made a plan. He brought some bamboo sticks. Then he called his sons one by one. The first son came. The father asked his son to take a bamboo stick and break it into pieces. The other sons also came, and the father asked them to do the same thing. The boys performed the task easily. Then the father asked the eldest son to take 20 pieces of bamboo stick together and break these into pieces. He tried a lot and applied his whole strength, but failed. His other sons were also asked to do the same thing, but they all failed. The old man called all his 4 sons together and said that, "See, my boys, you can break a single stick very easily, but you all failed to break the bunch of sticks with all your effort. If you stay together, you will be very strong and nothing can harm you. Otherwise, you will fail everywhere. This is what we call united we stand, divided we fall." Thank you.